up, travelers? So today's going to be a little random. As you can see, I am in my bedroom. It is a mess. Don't look too closely. Um, but basically, I'm going to be moving back into my old room, and I decided to completely clean it out and redo it because I swear it hasn't changed since I moved in like 5th grade. Yeah. It has stuff all over the place, so I'm not going to show you the full room because that would be scary. But today I thought we would go through what's under my bed. So the reason why I say that is because I know, like, throughout my years, I've always put, like, memories and keepsakes and things that, like, I didn't want to get thrown away under my bed. And it is time to clean it out. I'm obviously going to keep some things if they're really good memories, but we're going to see what's under here because I have a feeling it's going to be really entertaining, especially if anyone follows my blog. If not, it's in the description below. I've been writing a lot of nostalgic posts recently just because I love doing it. It brings back so many good memories, and I have a feeling a lot of the things that I've talked about are going to be under here, and I haven't seen them for years, so that'll be fun. But overall, we're just gonna, like, dive right in. I'm sorry I look like a thumb today. It's Sunday, I have work tomorrow. I finished my first week of the new job. It's going well. It's going good. A lot more to come. That's why I've kind of been MIA. Gonna dive right back into it. But you'll be seeing some things soon. But on that note, let's see what's under here. Alright, let's move on. That was pointless. I don't even know what those are. I'm not going to bother. Oh, let's see. Come on out. Oh my gosh. Guys, I didn't even know I still had this doll. I thought it didn't exist anymore. Let's see. Can you see her? Can she look at the camera? Oh, that's the wrong way. Oh. In her hat. Oh my god, I love this. So, this was a special Barbie for Disneyland's 50th anniversary. She has two hats. One's the Disneyland 50th anniversary. One's the Musketeer hat to match her outfit. I think I'm going to have to, like, place this in my new room. I want to keep this. Her hair's a little right now, but we can work with that. Oh my god, her hat lost its elastic to stay on her head, but we can work with that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is staying. This is the issue that I have when I go through old things, is I end up getting too sidetracked about the things that I find, and not much gets done or thrown out. Let's see, what else do we have under here? I'm gonna go through this bag. Ugh. When it's heavy, I know I've stuffed it with random things to hide so that I don't lose them. Okay, I don't know if anyone else had these. I had one. It was like back when I didn't have an iPod, or back when iPod Touches didn't exist, but did anyone else have one of these? Like, I just remember having this. It was a Disney Jam Stick. This one was the stereo, so, like, you could put it in and play it out loud, but I think, here it is. So this was a carrying case. Look at that little Disney D, but, oh my god, it's all still in here. So this was the Disney, what was it? Disney Jam Stand. I don't know what this one's called. The Disney Jam Stick, maybe? I don't know. I lost the box for this a long time ago. But anyway, so it looked like this. I think there was ones that came in different colors. It was kind of like the knockoff or the Disney version of an iPod. So it had these little buttons that were shaped like Mickey, kind of like the regular iPod. And then what you did is you got these little tiny mix clips. So let's see what we have in here. We got Radio Disney Ultimate Jams. If you can tell, they were all Disney themed, and you put them in here and it would play all the songs that were on the CD. And I thought I was the coolest kid in the entire world because I had Raven Simone. Let's see, can you see that one? It's so funny. These are like little SD cards. And then what was this one? Disney Channel Hits. Look at all those people. I don't even know. My camera doesn't know how to focus. It's not expensive enough for that, but has Kim Possible, Raven Simone, Even Stevens, The Proud Family, and Lizzie McGuire, Take One. Let me see, the words are so tiny. It says, greatest hits from favorite Disney Channel TV shows. Okay. This is so cute. I don't even know, I feel like this is worth nothing on, like, Line today or anything. I feel like people don't even remember that this existed. I feel like this, the reason why I only had like 3 clips is because the trend of it died out so quickly. Like, it could not beat out iPods or iPads or anything with just those little SD card musics. Especially with just Disney songs. What else is in here? Let me see. Oh God. Ah. Okay, so for any of you guys who have read my blogs, I did a thing about dolls that I used to play with. I don't think these are the real ones. I honestly think these are the ones that came in Happy Meal toys. But, oh God, this is so funny. We have Betty Spaghetti here, for those of you who know who Betty Spaghetti is. Yeah, this one's definitely a McDonald's edition. Because, you know, back when toys were popular, Disney was like... Disney, oh God. McDonald's was like, let's take the toy, make it cheaper, and then put it in Happy Meals. Oh my God, I'm trying to fix her hair. It's not working. But yeah, she was one of the people. I didn't even realize I still had these down here, which is insane. I probably have more somewhere else. Who knows? What's this thing? Looks like another Happy Meal doll. It says American Idol on the side. Looks like it has like a little microphone or something there. Oh no. Doesn't sound nice. Yeah, that one's gonna stay in there. That one can probably actually go right in the trash. Trash. Oh, this is definitely a Bratz top. You can tell because it's like a little tube top. Definitely wouldn't fit on a Barbie, but maybe there's Bratz in here. Let's see what else. Oh. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce them. I think they were Ello dolls, and I wrote about these too. This is in like the same blog post. So basically they were kind of like funky building, like, I don't know how to describe them, but anyways, these were like all the sets for the girl ones, because, you know, girl and boy ones were a thing then. And so it was a creation system, and like it was kind of like Legos in a weird way. You would build like these houses and these little people, and their heads, let me see if I can find their heads, because their heads were so weird. So basically like any of like the balls here could be heads, and then you'd have to get these things which are so creepy. Let me see if I can find one that matches. That one doesn't really, but like, so then you would put their heads, if you can, like, I don't know if you can see it here. Let's see, will you work? There we go. So you can kind of see how creepy. It's like the mouth's right here and the eyes. So you put these, too advanced for me. You put these on here and it would become like the little head of the dolls. They were weird, but they were fun to play with. I would always build something new. See, like these were clearly all still put together with the stick. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Half my words aren't English. I think that's all that's in there. I don't even know, like, what to do with all that stuff. Loud noises. Let's dive a little deeper in. I gotta move closer for this, because as you guys can see, there's a lot of things under here. Things. Magnet Ariel dress without all of its missing counterparts. Oh, got a Snow White magnet dress up set, and it came with a prince. Look at that, magic. No way. Oh my God. Okay, who remembers mix clips? So, oh my God, this is so crazy. I'm not a girl, not yet a woman. Oh my God. So hit mixes, these were like the things before we even had iPods when we were kids. So basically, you get these little players here, and it's stuck to like a bunch of random keychains, but this one only came with one headphone, because, you know, you were cool if you only had one headphone in. And so you would stick the mix clip in here, and the weird thing is it would only play a little clip from the song. Like, it wouldn't even play the full song. Like, I don't even think anything could really fit on this little thing. But, God, so I broke it. That's just gonna be like my face, like, this whole time. First of all, Pokemon cards. Oh, Jigglypuff. What a Pokemon card to find. She was my fave. Still is. But I don't know if anyone remembers magazines for kids that were like half the size of normal magazines, but Disney Adventures, are you kidding me? I don't even remember how long these things lasted for, but look at how young Miley Cyrus is on the cover of this. Like, this should be like a thumbnail or something. Like, let's see. Oh, God, the rock rocks. What a TBT. Is my microphone still on? Yeah. This is like insane. Oh my god, High School Musical 2 backstage with the cast. I can't. This could be a whole video on its own just going through this thing. It gives me all the feels. What a throwback. Oh, let's see. Move all this crap out of the way. So that's what most of this is crap, unfortunately. The giant bag of silly bands, because these were all the rage in middle school, because everyone had to have every shape humanly possible. At least I did. I was always the one who was on the tail end of crazes. I would, like, end up, like, getting into the craze when everyone was getting out of it, and then I'd get, like, a bunch of whatever it was, and then I'd be like, well, I'm not going to use these anymore. Berg. What is that here? Oh, God. Mickey's Haunted Halloween. Perfect timing. Oh, that's staying. I used to play with this thing all the time. So it was like a dress-up book with all the princesses, and let me see what's inside. Oh, it's like broken. So they were just like these little, like, almost like what you put on window stickies, and all of them are on the first page because I would always do that so I wouldn't lose any of them. But each page would have a different princess. And you got to dress them up. Oh my god, I could still play with this for hours, I swear. And like Ariel, you could really only dress up her hair because she had a fin. Oh my god, each one. And like you could mix and match their outfits. Like, Rapunzel, she didn't exist yet. Sleeping Beauty's dress just fell out, so like I'll put her on Belle. And I remember I would take forever to like make sure that they perfectly like lined up with the princess that was wearing them, so you wouldn't see any of like their sleeves sticking out, almost like coloring the lines. I don't know if this is gonna stay, but look at, oh my god, I love these things. This is definitely staying. What else do we have in here? Oh, Felicity and Elizabeth trading cards. For any American Girl dolls fans back in the day, they don't exist anymore. Or well, at least Felicity and Elizabeth do. Obviously the regular American Girl dolls do. There's so much stuff in here. So many pop-up books. Ooh, a scrapbook. I'm not even going to bother attempting to get that out right now. I'm actually really curious to know what could be on this camera right now. I should go have it developed. That would be weird. It'd be like a crazy blast from the past. Everyone, welcome to the first cell phone my family owned. This was the Fraser family cell phone. I used to play Snake on this. It was a great time. Oh my god, this thing is like... I bet you could throw it against a wall and it would be indestructible still. And then there was my version of texting when I was a kid. This was, you had a... I don't have the other one, but you had two, and you could only message each other if you were in like a 5-foot radius. Because we're cool like that. Where does this even go? What else is in here? So much stuff. Oh. A signed lacrosse ball with everyone from the Grown Ups movie signed on it. Random things, but cool. Put all this back in here. I don't know how I'm going to get all of this to fit again. Dust. I think this is going to be on another one of my articles. My camera's about to die again, but Tamagotchis. I wish these still work. Literally have like 10 of them. I bet there's more. I think there's 2 more in my drawer up there. I used to play with these things religiously. Like, I wrote a article about it, about how we would always, like, have one person designated at recess that would babysit all the Tamagotchis so none of them died. Because everyone knows if you didn't pay attention to them for, like, a hot second, they'd be dead and you'd have to start over again. I think mine never reached adulthood, I swear. I think I got one to a teenager once and I was like, whoa, and then it, like, died the next day. I don't even know. What else before my camera dies? I have all of them down here. Like, I'm talking like every single Sims 2 game humanly possible. Back when they came with these thick boxes. Like, look at this. Like, I have all of them. This is the holiday pack because who doesn't love Christmas more than me? Oh my god, Sims 2 Nightlife. So many of them. There's like a huge stack back here. Oh my gosh, I should just do a rating of all the Sims games I had. Honestly. What's in here? Books. Ooh. Oh, hold on. If I can get it out. Oh. This game was really fun. It was a computer game life. Oh. Nancy Drew. Anyone else super excited for Midnight in Salem to finally be released after like 3 years? 'Cause I am. I'm so keeping this. These games are still fun, especially this one. This one was so hard, and it used to creep me and my friends out so bad. Because you would just hear, like, voices and stuff if you wore headphones, like, things coming out of everywhere. Ooh. Well, all my Sims 3 games, and Sims 4 City. Once again, as we know, I'm still obsessed with Sims. Currently playing Sims 4. Just got the Making Magic something. Making Magic's from the first one. I don't know. The new Magic one. It's really great. I just got it yesterday, so I haven't been able to fully explore it, but it seems fun. Anyways, my video is just about over because my camera is about to die again. That's about all the random stuff that people would probably remember besides like old pictures and books that I found under here. I just wanted to share with all you guys. Pretty much, I'll probably end up keeping everything because I'm a hoarder. Only thing that's definitely going in the trash is this creepy thing. So on that note, oh god, it doesn't stop. Anyways, on that note, I'm gonna head out. Please like and subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, because I'm hoping to post more, and it's still playing. But on that note, I will see you guys next time with whatever else new I have concocted to share with you guys online. Bye!